Hello and welcome to this series on Conversations with Leaders. I'm Sonali Sinha, an executive coach and leadership facilitator. We are living in really uncertain times and it is making us all anxious about our work, our business, our livelihood. How long will this go on for? What would it look like once this is over? What will be the impact on my business? Will we be able to sustain the business till we reach the end of the tunnel? These are some of the thoughts that are plaguing entrepreneurs and business leaders. Last week, during a coaching session with an entrepreneur, we were discussing these concerns about his business. And then I asked him a question. If you were not worried about survival right now, what opportunities do you see in the current environment? I could literally see a switch flip in him, and he started talking about what are the needs of his customers right now and how they can come up with a specific offering for meeting these requirements and how this can actually help him enter into a long-term relationship with some of his clients. And he was really excited. By the end of the session, he was pumped and ready to get started on some of the ideas that he had shared. Do you want to understand what happened here? We tend to be either prevention focused or promotion focused. Prevention focused people tend to see their goals as responsibilities and they concentrate on staying safe, protecting what they have and avoiding mistakes. Promotion focused people, on the other hand, see their goal as creating a path for growth or advancement, and they concentrate on the benefits that will accrue to them when they achieve those. Most of us right now are in a prevention focused mode. Even if that's not our natural tendency, the current uncertainty around this pandemic is making us focus on what is it that we can lose, how do we protect what we have. By asking ourselves, what opportunities do we see currently, we can switch to a promotion focused mind frame and focus on working actively towards improving our outcomes in any given situation. I invite you to ask yourself that question and see how your mind starts seeing the environment very differently. If you want to experience the power of coaching, feel free to block a slot for a discovery meeting by clicking on the link above. Talk soon. Thank you so much.